Good day to everyone. So now let's proceed to the CAD line exercise 4. So first, we're going to do the box using the PL enter. And then again 12. Make sure that your line is in ortho. Then make sure that it's orthographic. So 12, 12, 12, 12, and then C to close. And then we're going to do the array. This one, select the object, then array. So we have 3 columns and 2 rows. And then the distance between is 14. Okay, then close array. So let's move it in here and then explode. Okay, for the first box, if you can see, there are some of polyline here again, and then here offset ng 1, and dito 0.5. So first we're gonna explode this one, explode the box, and then we'll offset it by 4 dahil ang sabi ang distance to each other ay 4. And then after that, this way we're gonna offset it again by 4 here and here. And then after, using the polyline, you can create polyline from here to here, and then select that line, then offset it by 1. Again, polyline from here, here until here, and then select the line, offset by 1, then M, going here. Okay, and then if we're going to select this one, going to make a mirror going here, and then select this all together, and then mirror it down here using this midpoint going down here in this midpoint. Okay, and then I'm gonna use this line, and then I'm gonna do like PL, and then 45 degrees to here. So we're gonna delete this one as we use it as a guide, then offset it by 0.5 M. So 1, 2, and then trim it, and then going to mirror from here, center down here. Make sure that you have it. Set like all this, and then mirror it again, go in here. Okay, and then we can copy it for faster movement. So copy, this will be our reference. Go in here, up to here, click, and then click here, and then okay. And then after that, this line, we're gonna offset this one, but I guess it's okay if we were going to have the PL from here, 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 and then here. I think PL will do, but rather not PL. So let's go back here. So let's create another vertical line that we're going to offset by 1, and this way. Then another line from here up to here. Oh, enter 1, and then trim all together. Then we're done doing the first box. And now let's proceed again. And now let's proceed for the box 2. So first, let's have to check the figure that we're gonna do. So we're going to do this line. Okay, if we were going to zoom in, it's actually 45 degrees. So make sure you're going to turn on your polar setting into 45 degrees. And then the distance of each is 1. Okay, 1, the distance per offset. So let's have line from here, and then we're going to offset it by 1, and then multiple. And click to here, go in here. Okay, and then we're gonna again like from here again until here, 45 degrees lines, offset it by 1 using the multiple so that you can have it. And then after, we're gonna trim. So to trim, TR, enter, T for cutting edges, then select the cutting edges, left click and then right click. So after you right click, you can trim all the excess lines. You're gonna trim excess lines, trim, so it could be clear to you. Then after that, we're gonna do the trimming. Okay, TR, again, TR, double enter. So it'll be this way. Let's just play like this way. Okay, so figure says this way gonna be our trimming. This way, like a diagonal. And then if we trim here, we're gonna trim him like here. Okay, alternate. Okay, the opposite direction of the given from the above. Okay, then after that, we're gonna trim like, we start here, gonna trim like here and here. I think here, gonna trim like here. I'm gonna trim it here, so like here, 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 this way. Till you finish it, make sure that you concentrate. Okay, let's like this way. I think it's a mistake to do it. I got a mistake that I should this way. And then after that, we're gonna do like here, 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 and then here, and finally got here. Okay, like this way, and like here in here. Oh, this way, like this one. Okay, and then after that, we're gonna trim this way. Here, I think here, trim here, from here up to here, this way, going here. Make sure that you concentrate and focus so that you can have it on time. And okay, we're done. So after that, another trim like here, from here up to here. It's this way. Okay. Do not trim this, trim this one. Do not trim this one. Do not trim this one. Do not trim, and then we're gonna trim this one. And after that, we're gonna trim like this way. Okay? So we're gonna trim it here. Not trim, not trim. Ito hindi ititrim ito. This way again. This way. Okay. And then there you go. Then after that, lastly here, gonna trim it in here, here, and here, and here, and here, all together. Okay, and then after that, we're gonna trim like in here. So you can see in the figure, there is no trim, there is trim blind here, just like this way. So here, also here, trimmed. Okay. And now we're done doing the second box using the 45 degrees lines. So for the third box, let's check the figure. So for the third box, we're gonna do like 1.5 offset lines. And then 1 here. As you can see, 1. So let's first, and then 45 offset of 1. So first, let's offset this box by 1.5. This is just here the 1.5, and then create a line, vertical line, and then we're gonna offset it by 1. Then after you offset it, you're gonna trim all together here. Okay, and then we're gonna have it. This line from here up to here, horizontal, and offset it again by 1. I think it's gonna be offset it by 1 for this way. Okay, again, O, enter, O, enter, 1, so So let's do it this way, and then trim this way. Okay, and then we're just gonna trim this way, I think. Just gonna trim. We're just gonna have to do it this way. Okay, let's delete this. I think it's just gonna delete this way. Let's see. Okay, let's delete it. And then after that, we're just gonna have this PL here up to here, and then one here, one, and then this one here. Okay, and then this PL line, we can have 2, 4 in the middle. Okay, and then just do it this way, and also this way. Just gonna have mirror it from the middle. Let's find the middle. Where's the middle? So I think this will be the middle. So yeah. Then put here and then go. Then we're just gonna offset this one, the center, like this by 1. So enter 1, going down here, and then we're just gonna have this, the 45 degrees. So it's gonna have here 45. So let's here, this one. Yeah. Okay, this one. Okay, and then you're just gonna set it by 1, multiple, and go in there, multiple. Then again here, same thing. Set it by 1. After that, P or enter P for cutting edges. Click the cutting edges and then right click and click hole or the excess line. Okay, there we go. As you can see, it's faster as it is, and then just gonna have to extend this way, so we can extend this way. Okay, and we're done doing the box 2. Oops, not yet done because it's not yet extended this line. So yeah, and now we're done doing the third box, as simple as that. So for the fourth box, we're gonna use Polygon in the size of 6, and then Circumscribed in the circle, which is around the circle, Circumscribed, and then the measurement of our polygon is 1.5, which is nasa figure natin. And then we're gonna use POL. So let's type in command line POL, which is short for polygon, and then enter the number of side. So we need 6, and then let's specify the center. Once we click here, there is an option if you will go inscribed in circle or circumscribed about circle. So we're gonna choose circumscribed about circle. And click, and then we're gonna put the measurement by 1.5. Okay, so to ensure that it is correct, so first let's have the distance from here up to here. It should be 1.5, and then from here until here should be 3, just like this one. Okay, and then just gonna delete the measurement, and then just copy from here up to here. I'm gonna copy here, and then this way we're gonna copy from here to here, up to here, and then finally we got here. And then just gonna select this all together. Let's move first, and then let's copy. Okay, this will be our reference first. This will be our reference, and this way. And then we're gonna use the reference under here, like this way, if I'm not mistaken. So let's find the direction that fits. So copy, and let's just gonna make it in here up to here. Yeah, I'm just gonna have it. Let's again copy. This will be our reference from here, dito sa ilalim, up to here. and then go in here and here, and then we'll go. And then just gonna delete all together here, the reference, and then just gonna have to this one this way here, also here, all this hexagon dot exceed or hindi tumama sa pinaka-box natin, i-explode natin ngayon. Then we're just gonna trim. PR enter T. Let's check the cutting edges here. So this will be our cutting edges. This one, and then this one, and then right click. So we're gonna delete all of this. Okay, it's gonna delete all of this, and then all this one can delete. And get trimmed this way. I'm gonna trim this, or it's gonna delete this way. So again, hexagon, circumscribe in the measure of 1.5 for the box 3 or 4. Right. Let's proceed now for the 5th box. So first, we have here 60 degrees lines, and then we're gonna offset it by 1.5, and then the horizontal line we're going to offset it by 1, and let's do the trimming. So L, enter, just click in here, and then using the Pacman, so let's type the Pacman. So Pacman, and then 60 degrees, and then let's make it like this way, and then click and then enter, and then offset it by 1.5 and enter. So click in here, go in here. So let's extend first the line, and then just gonna offset it by P, enter, select, and then right click, and then trim all together the lines. Then after that, we're just gonna have explode this line so that we can offset the horizontal line into 1, okay, a distance of 1, and then down here, this direction, and go. And we're just gonna do the PR, the trimming, enter. So if we're gonna trim in here, we're gonna trim here, trim this one, and then this one, and then just gonna trim here, trim here, trim here, and then trim here, and then trim here. Alternate. We're gonna trim here, so we're just gonna have trim here, okay, trim here, and then it's gonna have to trim here. Let's wait for a while. It's gonna trim in here, trim in here, just this way, zigzag. This way, it's gonna be like zigzag. Okay, just gonna trim this way, okay, be zigzag, 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 and then let's have zigzag. And then down here, zigzag again, here to here, to here, here, zigzag. Okay. And then just gonna have here, zigzag again, zigzag, zigzag, just up, down, and then this way, just gonna have it here. And now done, just like this way. Okay, just forget this way. Okay, this way, this way. And then we're good. We're done doing it. Just I forgot to trim this one. Sure that is it clear enough. Trim this way, and then we're done doing the box 5 of exercise 4. So for the 6th box or last box, we're gonna do the 60 degrees line. So first, and we're going to offset it by 1, and then vertical lines offset by 1. So L, enter. Just gonna use this Pacman. or you can have in polar settings 60, 30, 90 degrees, 120. So let's have here, and then O, enter, distance of 1, M, and just click in here, go in here. Okay, and then after that, extend the line, all the excess line, and then just gonna have to trim all the excess line, so that after this, we're gonna do another 30 degrees going to another direction, which we can create a cross lines. And then just gonna have L, enter, another 60 degrees down here, and offset it by 1, and then here, this direction again, and then extend first the line, extend the lines, and then just gonna trim, PR, enter, P, enter, and then select, and then right click. I'm just gonna left click all over the excess lines. Okay, and then we need to focus on the direction of this one, because we're gonna do a trimming again. So after that, we're just gonna make this one explode, and then this vertical line we will offset it by 1, and then go in here. Make sure that you offset it clearly, and then just gonna trim. So PR, enter, double enter. So if we trim in here, trim in here, trim in here, 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 and in here. So if we trim in here, we're gonna trim that way, this way. Just gonna trim this way, this one again, then here, trim this way, trim this, trim, 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 and then trim. And then again here, just gonna trim this way, this one I think. We're just gonna have this way, I'm not mistaken. So let's trim it in here, or let's proceed here. Trim it here first, this way. Okay. And then after that, just like this one, we're just gonna trim it here, here. So this way we're gonna trim this way, and then let's just trim, oops, this way, trim, 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 trim this way. Trim this way, trim this way, and then trim this way. And then here we're just gonna trim this way. Then after here, trim this way. Just gonna trim all over it. Okay, trim this way, this way, this way. Trim, and then trim. And then last, just gonna trim the top of it. Stick and top of it. Trim, trim. Okay, and then just gonna trim this way. Hold a minute. So make sure that you trim. Then after you trim that, you're gonna have this way. This will be the exactly looks like after you trim.